Hello, what's up everyone? It's Sanele, your boy. Some people they call me small boy. So today my niece said to see me when I'm wearing a frontal. Maybe I will look nice or something else. But I will try to impress my nieces. They will say something they want to do, like they want to warm meet up, something there. But let's show them. Trying, bro. Like I look like a girl. Me. Oh my god. Quite.
Siyenza so ihlala so
I don't know these things. Like it's a quiet. I look hot. Do you see me? Zinjani alut. Nandilichangani la 1998 wena uthini? Aye wenzani?